If you've ever looked at a blank corner in your living room or bedroom and felt like it was totally killing the vibe of your space, you are in the right place. Today, we are looking at a smart light that doesn't just illuminate your room, it completely transforms it. This is the Govee Uplighter Floor Lamp, and it packs a mesmerizing built-in ripple projector that is about to turn your ceiling into an absolute work of art. Let's talk about what makes this way more advanced than a standard lamp. It features an incredible tri-zone independent lighting design. Up top, you have a rotating head equipped with a specialized textured lens and a physical corrugated sheet that projects stunning, dynamic water ripple effects across your ceiling, covering up to a massive 215 square feet. It literally looks like you bottled up a luxury swimming pool reflection or moonlight and let it glide across your room. In the middle zone, you get an ambient RGBIC light ring for rich, colorful accent vibes. And at the bottom, there is a dedicated daily illumination ring firing out a bright, fully dimmable 1000 lumens of pure white light. You can seamlessly use these zones together or separately depending on if you are hosting a party, watching a movie, or settling in to read a book. For your daily routine, it features a full circadian rhythm mode called Auto Run. You can tune the light from a cozy, warm white at 2700 Kelvin to help you unwind, all the way to a crisp, productive cool white at 6500 Kelvin to keep you focused during the day. Plus, the internal motors responsible for spinning that gorgeous ripple effect operate at a whisper-quiet 25 decibels, meaning you can leave it running in your bedroom all night long without hearing a thing. It is housed in a beautiful, minimalist rust-proof aluminum frame with a transparent black shade that looks like high-end decor even when it's completely turned off. Because it's a modern smart home powerhouse, the connectivity is elite. It is fully compatible with Matter, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. This means it integrates perfectly into your existing smart home ecosystems right out of the box, letting you trigger custom automated routines, sync the lights dynamically to your favorite music, or just use voice commands to switch up the atmosphere. You can also jump into the Govee Home app to sketch out your own custom DIY lighting animations or tap into over 80 preset scene modes. If you are ready to stop buying boring lamps and completely level up your home's aesthetic with an immersive, trippy ceiling projector and premium everyday light, this is the one to get. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know what room you would put this in, and I will see you in the next video.